In this video, I will walk you through the steps to add or remove an email account in Microsoft Outlook. Let's start by opening the Outlook app on your computer. Make sure Outlook is fully loaded before you continue. Once Outlook is open, look at the top left corner of the window. You will see a tab that says File. Go ahead and click on that. Now you should see a new screen with different options. On the right side, find the button that says Account Settings. Click on it. You will see a small drop-down menu appear. From that menu, click again on Account Settings. This will open a new window. In this new window, you will see a list of all the email accounts that are currently added to Outlook. If you want to add a new email account, click on the button near the top that says New. A setup window will now appear. Here, you can enter the email address you want to add. After typing in your email address, click on the button that says Connect. Outlook will try to automatically find the right settings for your email. If everything is correct, you might just need to enter your password. Once you've added your email account, Outlook will ask if you want to finish. Click on Done when it shows up. Now your new email account has been added to Outlook. If you want to remove an account instead, go back to the list of accounts in the Account Settings window. Click once on the account you want to remove. Then click on the button that says Remove. Outlook will ask if you are sure you want to delete this account. Click Yes or OK to confirm. The email account will be removed from Outlook. After you're finished adding or removing accounts, you can close the Account Settings window. Then return to the main Outlook screen. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.